We are headed to the other side of Lake Louise in our new foldable kayaks. We received our ORU foldable kayaks in July of 2022. We have used them in the Snake River, lakes in the western United States, and parts of Canada. Was it hard to put together for the first time? We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife van.
We have kayaked in traditional plastic kayaks, our inflatable kayak, and now our foldable ORU kayaks. Rich was excited to try out our new foldable kayaks that we got from ORU. The ORU kayaks are fast and easy to put together and put away. Rich, how do you like the ORU kayaks?
I've been watching the ORU kayak on Kickstarter for a while. They started in Kickstarter like 10 years ago, and they've been adding different models. But when they came out with the ORU Lake, I looked at it, and with the claim of it being assembled in less than a minute, I thought it would be the perfect kayak for us. ORU folding kayak is really nice because it takes up even less room, and it's more durable than a inflatable that may get punctured. The specification for the ORU kayak for the number of folds is 20,000 folds. So I'm pretty sure that will give us a long, long life and lots of enjoyment. The ORU kayaks they are well engineered. They are well thought out, a number of different buckles to keep the sides together. The seat is comfortable. Or the backrest has been the most comfortable for me, even compared to the inflatable and also compared to our hard-sided kayak.
Was it hard to put together for the first time?
I think after reading the instructions and watching the video from ORU, it was actually pretty easy to put together and pretty logical on what each of the necessary steps are.
1 minute, 25 seconds.
Getting there.
River. In the Snake River. It's not a river kayak.
Okay, so this is a optional footrest. So all the other ORU kayaks, except for the Lake, comes with these standard, but this is an option that we thought might be necessary. So pretty easy. There's a hook inside. And then you have buckles that go to the sidewalls that you buckle to, and then you can adjust how much the position of your foot by sliding those up and down.
Nothing to it?
Not it.
By bringing our kayaks along with us on our travels, we save on kayak rental fees in popular areas and can kayak in more secluded areas without the hassle of finding somewhere to rent a kayak for the day.
This is hauling butt.
We are kayaking in our ORU Kayaks
Lake model, Grand Teton National
in
Jenny Lake.
We have found kayaking in windy areas has been more stable with the ORU kayak. The lake is made for calm waters like you would find in a lake or a real mellow river.
We are headed to the other side of Lake Louise in our new foldable kayaks.
Plus tax. So I'm thinking $165 to pay
165 Canadian for how long? For 1 hour. So I think we've almost paid for our kayaks and rental fees. Between the 2 Canadian lakes, Jenny Lake, our test ride on Clear Lake, and the Snake River.
It is about 9 feet long after it's fully assembled. But the beauty on the ORU kayaks is it folds up to a really nice compact. I think it's 42 inches by 18 by 10 inches. The lake has a pretty wide flat bottom, so it's stable, it's easy to get in, easy to get out.
We love how easy and fast they are to assemble and put away. We can't wait to take our ORU kayaks to Baja, California this winter. I just moved the camera to the other side too, and he popped up right there. Subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.